Hello students, we are doing chapter number 12 linear equations and inequalities in one variable. Today we will start exercise 12.2. In this exercise you will get the word problems based on linear equation. So first step, we have to read the question very carefully and frame the question in the mathematical form, and then we will solve the equation. Question number 1. 3 more than twice a number is equal to 4 less than the number. Find the number. So here in question keyword will be given and you have to find out the meaning of that words and write in the mathematical form. So according to the question, 3 more than twice a number, we have to find out a number here, and condition is given 3 more than twice a number. More means we have to add and less means we have to subtract. Then we have to find the number. So let the number is x. Now according to the question, 3 more than twice a number. Twice a number means 2x, 2 times the number. 3 more means we have to add 3 is equal to. Is equal to means we will put equal to symbol. 4 less than the number. Less than the number means from x we have to less 4. 4 less than the number. Now we got one linear equation here. This equation we have to solve. So first this x we will shift to left side. It will become minus x minus 4, and this plus 3 we will shift another side. It will become minus 3. So 2x minus x is x, and minus 4 minus 3 is equal to minus 7. So the number is, therefore required number is minus 7. Next question number 2. When 4 consecutive integers are added, the sum is 46. Find the integers. So here the word consecutive means which are in continuity. Like 2, 3, 4, 5, like this we have to take continuous integers. And we have to take here 4 consecutive integers. So let the integers are, first is x, then next will be x plus 1, then x plus 2 and x plus 3. These are the 4 continuous integers. Now according to the question their sum is 46. So according to the question, x plus 1 plus x plus 2 plus x plus 3, all 4 we will add, then answer is coming 46. Now we can simplify this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times x means it will become 4x. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. Equal to 46. So 4x is equal to 46 minus 6. We will get 4x equal to 40. Now 4 also we can shift another side. It will go for division. We can cancel 10 times. So the value of x is 10. We got x 10. Remaining integers also we can find out. Therefore integers are, first is 10, next will be 10 plus 1 11, then 12 and 30. Next question number 3. Manjula thinks a number and subtracts 7 by 3 from it. She multiplies the result by 6. The result now obtained is 2 less than the twice the number. She thought, what is the number? So let the number is x. Now according to the question we will go. She thought a number, subtract 7 by 3 from the number. So we will subtract 7 by 3 from the number. Now she multiplied the result by 6. So this result, x minus 7 by 3, this is the result. This result she multiplied with 6. The result now obtained is means we have to put equal to symbol. Now this result is 2 less than twice the number. Twice the number means 2x, and 2 less means 2 we have to subtract. So this is our linear equation. Now we will solve this equation. Multiply this 6 within the bracket. 6x minus 6 into 7, 42 by 3 equal to 2x minus 2. We can cancel 3 1 ja and 4 ja. So 6x minus 14 is equal to 2x minus 2. Now this 2x we can shift this side, it will become minus 2x, and this minus 14 we can shift another side, it will become plus 14. So here we will get 4x is equal to 12. So x is equal to 12 divided by 4. We can cancel, so the value of x is 3. So the number is 3. Next question number 4. A positive number is 7 times another number. If 15 is added to both the number, then one of the new number become 5 by 2 times of the other number. What is the number? So here in this question we have two numbers. So let the first number is, then if first number is x, then second number is 7 times of first number. So second number will become 7x. It is given a positive number is 7 times the another number. Now if 15 is added to both the number, so after adding 15 we will get two new numbers. First number will be x plus 15, because 15 we have to add, and second new number will be 7x plus 15. 15 we have to add to both the number. Now according to the question, the new number becomes 5 by 2 times the other number. So this second number will become 5 by 2 times of the first number, and this we are talking about the new numbers. Both are new number. Why I have taken second number here? Because second number is a bigger number and here will come small number. If you will keep first number here and second number here, then you will get wrong answer. So second number is 7x plus 15 and first number is x plus 15. Now we can simplify this equation. This 2 we can shift here. It will become 2 7x plus 15 equal to 5x plus 15. Now remove these brackets. 14x plus 30 equal to 5x plus 75. 5x we can shift here. 14x minus 5x is equal to 75 minus 30. So we will get here 9x is equal to 45. So the value of x will be 45 divided by 9. We will get 5. So the numbers will be, first number is x means 5 and second number is 7x means 7 into 5 35. Next question number 5. When three consecutive even integers are added, the sum is 0. Find the integers. So consecutive means we have to take numbers in continuity and only even numbers we have to take. So if we take, let first integer is x, then next integer will be, we have to add 2. Then next will be plus 4. So the integers are x, x plus 2 and x plus 4. For even and for odd, both you have to take the same pattern. Now according to the question, the sum of these three integers is 0. So if we add these integers, answer we will get 0. X plus x will become 3x and 2 plus 4 will become 6 equal to 0. This 6 we can shift another side, so it will become minus 6. So x value is equal to minus 6 by 3 equal to minus 2. Therefore integers are, first integer will be minus 2, second will be minus 2 plus 2. So minus 2 plus 2 will become 0 and third will be minus 2 plus 4. Now you can simplify minus 2 and 0 and plus 2. Next question number 6. Find two consecutive odd integers such that 2/5 of the smaller exceed the 2/9 of the greater by 4. So here we have to take odd integers. So for odd integer also same thing. If suppose first one is x, then next one will be x plus 2. You can see if Suppose first in odd integer you are taking 3, so next will be 3 plus 2, 5. Now we will frame the equation according to the question such that 2/5 of the smaller number. So 2/5 of the smaller is this one, and this is bigger one because we are adding here something. Exceed means we should put minus symbol. 2/9 of the greater number, 2/9 of greater this x plus 2, and it exceed by 4, so equal to 4 we have to put. Always remember, exceed means we have to put minus symbol. It means this number is greater than this number by 4. So if we take the difference between these two number, answer will come 4. Now we have to simplify this equation. First we will take the LCM of 9 and 5. Which is 45. Now with 45 we can multiply each term. First 45 into 2 by 5x. Second one 45 into 2 by 9x plus 2, and this side also we will multiply 45 into 4. Now cancel out 5 9s are 9 5s are, and here we have to multiply. So 9 to 18x minus 10x plus 2 equal to 180. Remove this bracket also. 18x minus 10x minus 20 equal to 180. 18 minus 10 will become 8x, and this 20 we can shift another side, it will become plus 20. So we have 8x is equal to 200. Now 8 also we can shift another side, so x value will be 200 by 8. We can cancel by 8. 8 to just 16 and 8 5 just 40. So x value is 25. So another integer will be 25 plus 2, 27. Therefore integers are 25 and 27. Next question number 7. The denominator of a fraction is 1 more than the twice its numerator. If the numerator and denominator are increased by 5, it's become 3 by 5. Find the original fraction. So here first a relation is given between numerator and denominator. Denominator is 1 more than twice of numerator. So we will take, let numerator is x, then denominator will be it is given 1 more than twice of numerator. So twice of numerator means 2x and 1 more means plus 1. So denominator is 2x plus 1. So original fraction will be numerator by denominator means x by 2x plus 1. Now according to the question, if numerator and denominator both are increased by 5, this is our fraction, this is numerator and this is denominator. Both are increased by 5 means we have to add 5. Then it become 3 by 5 means it will become equal to 3 by 5. Now we have to simplify this equation and find the value of x. This is x plus 5 and denominator we can write 2x plus 6 because 1 plus 5 is 6. After this we have to cross multiply. This we can shift here and this we can shift here. So we will get 5 x plus 5 equal to 3 2x plus 6. Now multiply 5x plus 25 is equal to 6x plus 18. We can shift 6x here, minus 6x and 25 another side, 18 minus 25. Now it will become minus x and this side we will get minus 7. Both the side we have minus symbol, we can remove minus symbol. So the value of x is 7. After getting x value we can substitute here in original fraction. Therefore, original fraction is x by 2x plus 1. So, substitute value here, x is 7 and 2 into 7 plus 1 means 7 by 15. So, answer is here 7 by 15. Next question number 8. Find two positive numbers in the ratio 2:5 such that their difference is 15. So, because ratio is given, so we will take let numbers are 2x and 5x. Now, according to the question, their difference is 15. So, difference means we have to subtract. We will keep 5x first because it is bigger. 5x minus 2x is equal to 15. So, 5x minus 2x is 3x equal to 15. So, the value of x is 15 by 3, 5. It means the value of x is here 5. Therefore, the numbers will be, first is 2x means 2 into 5, 10. And second one is 5x means 5 into 5, 25. Next question number 9. What number should be added to each of the following number 12, 22, 42 and 72 so that the resulting number may be in proportion. So let the number to be added is x. We are adding x to each number and after that these number will come in proportion. So after adding x we are getting 12 plus x, 22 plus x, 42 plus x and 72 plus x. These numbers are in proportion. So proportion rule is that the multiplication of extreme, product of extreme is equal to product of mean. So these two numbers are in mean which are in middle and these two are extreme. So multiplication of these two number will be equal to the multiplication of these two number. So we can write 12 plus x into 72 plus x is equal to 22 plus x plus into 42 plus x. Product of extreme equal to product of mean. This is according to the question. Now we can multiply 12 into 72 will become 864 plus 12x plus 72x plus x square. First 12 into 72, then 12 into x, x into 72 and x into x. Similarly this side also 22 into 42, 924 plus 22x plus 42x plus x square. So x square is same here, in addition this side also it will get cancel out. Now 864 plus 84x is equal to 924 plus 64x. So x we can shift one side. 84x minus 64x is equal to 924 minus 864. So here we will get 20x is equal to 60. 20 also we can shift another side. So x value will be 60 divided by 20 means 3. So the number to be added is 3. So in this video we will do till here. Remaining questions we will do in next video. Thank you for watching this video.